We will now complete the assembly of the PC. Lay the vest face down with the cummerbund tray open. Keeping in mind that the inner cummerbunds are labeled left and right, place them on the appropriate sides of the vest as if being worn. The labels should be facing down. For initial assembly, the adjustment straps on both the cummerbund panels and the inner cummerbund should be fully extended. Taking notice that there are two separate channels, one for the elastic inner cummerbunds and one for the cummerbund panels, insert the inner cummerbunds through the smaller of the two channels and pull the center white Dacron loops through the grommets. Next, insert the cummerbund panel that does not have the quick release cable through the support channel first.